Hello mga B, it's me again, Jayden. So for today's vlog, I'm so excited to share with you our family trip to Bohol. It is one of the most beautiful places here in the Philippines. So come join us as we explore the beauty of Bohol together. But before that, thank you Mami La for this trip. For our day 1 and day 2, we stayed in the Dumaluan Marilu Beach Resort. Our first stop is the man-made forest. It's a substance. Basta maganda dun, soy. And next, we headed to the famous tertiary. They are so tiny and cute. O syempre, tamo magpatalwi. Buntata na, King Chocolate Hills. O bala ko sa chocolate lang. It's day 2 here in Bohol. We started our day just enjoying the beauty of the front beach. Chame nga gani. Asus! For lunch, we went to the famous Lobok River for a floating restaurant experience. The rate here is 1,000 per head. It was just unique, a relaxing way to enjoy our meal. Eating different yummy food. Yee! Karakal pa mangan soy. Mikeni! Kumabsi ka Kenny Soy. Unlimited. Masarap lahat ng kinain ko dito, mga B. Uy, Chaya, itong favorite kong barbecue. There's also live music on board, making the vibe even more fun and more chill. Si Chaya, Daddy Saroy, mag-enjoy yo. Balik Bohol, balik! Up! We are here now at Sikatuna, Mirror of the World. This place is amazing. You see the famous landmark around the world like the Eiffel Tower, its statue of Liberty, London Bridge, and many more. It is like traveling the world in one place. Perfect for taking photos and making memories for my family. Tarin kami sa Zoocotic Animal Park. Yung kapatid ko, very strong, di siya takot. Uy, Chaya, may bigla mami niya. I-Jace mag-enjoy naman. We got to see different kinds of animals, from snakes to birds, and even butterflies. And we also go to Bohol Bee Farm. O deng talikod, Jenny, Opsi day 3 na mga bee. Pumunta kami sa Hinigdanan Cave to explore its beauty. The cave is really amazing. You can see the clear water and the beautiful rock formation. If you love nature and adventure, mag-enjoy ka dito, mga bee. O sige, labas na sa bahay ni Kuya. Pumunta pala kami sa bahay ni Lola Rose, classmate ni Daddy Lo. She prepared a delicious food for us. Dito po, Lola Rose. After that, we headed to Isis Bungalow. Dito kami mag-stay mga B for day 3 and 4. The place was so beautiful too. Nag-enjoy kami dito mga B. Maraming iba-ibang lahi dito mga B. Parang kami pa ang naging turista. And for the last day, we enjoy the beach. Kaya wala na kami ganong video mga B. Sakto pa, may bagyong paparating. Buti, pauwi na kami. O sige, okay na to.